Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 124 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 124. And down below we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, with that being said, let's open this up. Here it shows a rustic yet modern living room, or living room you could say. And here, as well as on the other page, it marks you all of the different pieces and parts of this room, which is shown here. I really like the sofa. The sofa looks comfy. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think about this little dollhouse room? Tell me down in the comments below. Here we have another picture from a different angle. It's quite nice. The fireplace is nice too, with the flowers there in the middle. And here it shows an English breakfast, or like a breakfast nook or table. Let me see if I can't get that in better focus. There you can see eggs and some ham. They look really, really good. They look kind of realistic. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Well, let's turn the page here. And here it gives a little biography of Walter Crane, who was an illustrator. There you have a portrait of him from 1902. And then here in the back, we have the dollhouse, the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And as I said before, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now, guys, it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, guys, so here we have our new addition to our dollhouse. I'm just going to take it out of the plastic here. It's this nice little wicker basket with some ribbons, a pair of scissors, and a little bottle of beads. There's the bottom there. It's really cute. I like the little scissors. And the little bottle is cute as well. You guys tell me what of the ribbons do you like the best? Let me see if I can't get it in a bit better focus. There we go. I kind of like the blue, but I also kind of like the purple ones as well. But you guys tell me which ones you like the best. You guys tell me, do you like the purple, blue, yellow, green, or red the best? Tell me down in the comments below. It's really a cute little basket, so it'll be nice to put this in the dollhouse once it's completed. And well, guys, that's the end of that. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. As I said before, we'll have all of his links down in the description below, as well as mine as well. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.